Hello partners, Retailio brings you payments via QR code. Let me show you how to collect payments using this feature. Open your Retailio partner app and click on the Outstanding tab. Select the retailer for whom you want to collect the payments. Select one or more invoices you want to pay. Click on Proceed and click on the option QR code. Once you click on that, a new QR code with the exact bill amount of the invoice selected will be generated. Now you can request the retailer to pay using any UPI app on his mobile. Once paid, the invoices will move to in process status on the Retailio app, and once the distributor settles the same on his ERP, it will move from in process to settled on the Retailio app. Thank you for your time. Hope this feature helps you in collection. Thank you.